Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you all the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Enterprise Panel Van. This van, like all our vehicles, has undergone a 128 points inspection by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months. It can be extended here at the dealership, and you also get roadside assistance for the first year with a single call-out, which can obviously be extended as well. The paint of the vehicle is protected by a triple layer of Gardex nano coat, which will make sure nothing like tree sap, acidity or rain will affect the paint of this vehicle. This Berlingo is in the Enterprise trim, comes with front fog lights, power fold mirrors, and then at the rear you have parking sensors spanning the whole width of the rear bumper, barn-style rear doors, and then you have over here the sliding door and the fuel flap for diesel and AdBlue. Let's take a look at the cargo boot now. The cargo hold is fully lined in wood, both on the sides and on the flooring. The wheel arches have their own housing in wood as well, and you have 6 anchorage points on the floor. Width-wise, you have 118 centimeters in between the wheel arches. The height is 119 centimeters to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib. And then you have a depth of the cargo hold of 166 centimeters. On the full metal bulkhead, you also have a load-through hatch, which goes into the cabin and extends for 65 centimeters into the cabin. It's now time to see the cabin itself. Once you get into the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with a 2-seat bench for the passenger, with adjustable headrest, and a fully independent, fully adjustable driver's seat. They're finished in fabric with charcoal color. Once you get into the cabin, you have storage solutions on the passenger side, on the center of the dashboard, right behind the infotainment unit, and one right in front of the driver's seat. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have a full analog dashboard with an adjustable trip computer monitor. On the steering wheel itself, you have paddle shifters for the EAT6 automatic transmission, the automatic headlight stalk, infotainment and trip computer control plus the voice commands, cruise control settings, more infotainment controls, and then over here you have the dial to adjust the height of the beam, power mirror and power windows controls. And then the infotainment unit is an NAC unit from Citroen, fitted with Android Auto and Apple Carplay, plus obviously Bluetooth connectivity for the phone. Bluetooth and Android Auto work through the USB cable, same for Apple CarPlay. Then you have controls for the air conditioning, plus the heated mirrors, the Eco Mode selector, the electronic handbrake, and the dial for the EAT transmission. So it's fully automatic, but you also have setting to use the paddle shifters. You have one more storage unit over here, and you also have a 12-volt port at the very bottom. The middle seat converts into a picnic table, which can be extended and you can pivot as well. Really useful when you have a tablet or a laptop for your work use. And these are all the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo panel van in Enterprise trim. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.